Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Jangad, and in this video I'll be talking about Healy Pain and Psyche programs, where I'll be showing you how to use these programs and what are the uses of these programs. So let's just start this video. तो पेन एंड साइकी के अंदर आपको दो अटैचमेंट्स यूज़ करने होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ दीज ईयर इलेक्ट्रोड्स, और जो दूसरे हैं विच इज़ स्टिकी पैड्स. So only these two attachments that you need to take while using pain and psyche program. So we'll start with the programs now. So as you can see on the screen, we have a Healy Pain and Psyche program page where we get 8 programs as total. So our first program is chronic pain. First I'll show you like how you can use these programs, how you can take these programs. So once I'll click on this chronic pain, it will show you the recommendation of what attachment exactly you need to wear. So it says on the bottom, ear electrodes with moistened felts or contact gel on the earlobes. So that's how you can apply, and the program duration also mentioned here, which is 20 minutes. So I'll go back again. So chronic pain is a program you can take when you have a pain in your body which is ongoing or lasts longer. And the second one is chronic back pain. Chronic back pain you can take whenever you have a pain in your body, and like due to your work schedule, whenever you had an hectic day. So in that case you can take Healy chronic back pain. You will see observable results after the use of this program. The third one is teeth geolocal. Teeth geolocal, if you have any pain in your mouth area, you can use this program. The fourth one is joints local. If you have any like you have a pain in your particular area, you can use these sticky pads on that particular area and start this program. And you have a pain like knee pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, joints of fingers, so in that case you can use joints local. The fifth one is migraine. Migraine, those who have a migraine and headache, this program will help you so much in getting it cured. Like you will see instant results after you take migraine program. The sixth one is insomnia. Insomnia is for the people who have sleep disorders or don't who get the quality sleep. So those people can take insomnia program. The seventh one is depression. Depression, it's not a disease, it's just a thought which create imbalance in your brain and you feel low, and in that case you can use a depression program. The last one is anxiety. See, anxiety has become very common around us. Almost every second person face this issue of anxiety, where you start getting sweaty, feeling nervous, trembling, uh, breathing rapidly and increasing heart rate. So in that case, just use a Healy anxiety program and it will help you instantly. You will see very observable results in your body. And one more thing I would like to add in this video, those who haven't yet ordered their Healy, there's a great promotion which is going in the month of August, that top 4 editions of Healy you will get 50% discount. And I will say don't miss this opportunity, grab this offer and order your Healy. Once you get the Healy, just start using the program and start getting the results. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching the video.